Mi-171 versus Z-18. Which military transport helicopter is superior? Today, we're putting these two military transport helicopters head-to-head. We'll compare their design, troop capacity, cargo capability, speed, range, altitude performance, technology, and operational experience to answer one important question. Which transport helicopter is truly superior? Welcome to Video World. Let's get started. Design and development. Let's begin with their origins. The Mi-171 is an upgraded version of the legendary Mi-8 helicopter family. Developed in Russia, it has earned a reputation as one of the most reliable transport helicopters ever built. For decades, it has served in deserts, mountains, jungles, frozen Arctic landscapes, and active combat zones. The Z-18 tells a different story. Developed by China's Aviation, the Z-18 is an evolution of the older Z-8 helicopter, itself derived from the French Super Freeland design. Engineers redesigned the aircraft with lighter composite materials, more powerful engines, and modern digital avionics. Unlike the Mi-171, the Z-18 was also designed to operate from aircraft carriers and amphibious assault ships, making it a key asset for the Chinese Navy as well as the Army. One helicopter is built upon decades of proven battlefield experience. The other represents China's latest leap in military aviation technology, troop and cargo capacity. Now let's compare what they can carry. The Mi-171 can transport up to 37 fully equipped soldiers, making it an excellent battlefield transport platform. It can also carry approximately 4 tons of cargo, either inside the cabin or suspended externally. The Z-18 carries slightly fewer troops, accommodating around 27 to 30 soldiers. However, it makes up for that with a larger cargo capacity of up to 5 tons, thanks to its spacious cabin and rear loading ramp. This allows the helicopter to transport heavier military equipment, supplies, or even small utility vehicles. Winner? If troop transport is your priority, the Mi-171 takes the lead. If heavy cargo matters more, the advantage goes to the Z-18. Speed and range. When every minute counts, speed becomes critical. The Mi-171 has a maximum speed of approximately 280 kilometers per hour. The Z-18 is noticeably faster, reaching speeds of around 336 kilometers per hour. That difference can significantly reduce mission time over long distances. Speaking of distance, the Mi-171 offers a range of approximately 610 kilometers. The Z-18 extends that figure to nearly 1,000 kilometers, allowing it to perform longer transport missions without refueling. Whether supporting amphibious operations or flying deep inland, that additional range provides valuable operational flexibility. Winner, Z-18. High-altitude performance. Operating in mountainous regions presents one of aviation's greatest challenges. Thin air reduces engine performance and rotor efficiency. The Mi-171 performs admirably with a service ceiling of approximately 6,000 meters, or about 19,700 feet. The Z-18 goes even higher. Its service ceiling reaches approximately 9,000 meters, or nearly 29,500 feet, making it particularly effective in high-altitude environments such as the Tibetan Plateau. This capability allows the helicopter to operate where many others struggle. Winner, Z-18. Technology and features. Technology is where the Z-18 truly begins to shine. The Mi-171 is intentionally simple. Its rugged construction and straightforward mechanical systems make it easy to maintain, even in remote areas with limited support equipment. This simplicity is one reason it remains popular across dozens of countries. The Z-18, however, incorporates several modern technologies designed for today's battlefield. It features a fully digital glass cockpit that provides pilots with improved situational awareness. Composite rotor blades reduce weight while improving efficiency and durability. A rear loading ramp allows troops and cargo to enter and exit much more quickly than helicopters relying solely on side doors. One of the helicopter's most distinctive features is the large radome mounted beneath its nose. Inside this housing is terrain-following radar, which continuously scans the landscape ahead. This enables the helicopter to safely fly at low altitude, avoid obstacles, and navigate through poor weather, darkness, or mountainous terrain with much greater confidence. The Z-18 also benefits from advanced navigation and communication systems, while specialized variants perform anti-submarine warfare, airborne early warning, and command and control missions. The Mi-171 focuses on reliability. The Z-18 focuses on technology. The Z-18 is one of the few modern transport helicopters that still uses a 3-engine layout. While most helicopters in its class rely on 2 engines, the third engine gives the Z-18 additional power and safety, especially during carrier operations, mountain flying, and heavy lift missions. Whereas Mi-171 relies on 2 Klimov TV-30 117VM or VK 2500 turboshaft engines, which gives a considerable edge to Z-18 due to its 3-engine power. The Changhe Z-18 can safely sustain flight on 1 engine. Because it is a triple-engine helicopter powered by 3 WZ-6C turboshaft engines, it possesses built-in redundancy. If one engine fails during a mission, the remaining 2 engines provide enough power to allow the aircraft to maintain altitude, continue flying, and execute a safe landing. A double-engine failure will force the helicopter to land immediately or enter auto-rotation. Final verdict. So, which helicopter wins? If your mission requires carrying the greatest number of troops, operating with minimal maintenance, and relying on decades of proved battlefield performance, the Mi-171 remains one of the finest transport helicopters ever built. However, if your priorities include higher speed, greater range, heavier cargo capacity, outstanding high-altitude performance, modern avionics, and advanced systems like its terrain-following radar, then the Z-18 clearly represents the next generation of military transport helicopters. If you had to choose only one for your country's armed forces, would you choose the Mi-171 or the Z-18? Tell us your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another journey into the fascinating world of military aviation, science, and technology. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. The video world.